Discover Napoleon's dark side with the Phantom series of grills, which includes the Prestige 500, Rogue SE425, and Travel Q285 portable grill with scissor cart, all veiled in a luxurious matte black finish with upgraded features. Stand out from the crowd and entertain in style with the Phantom series. Highlighted with Napoleon's classic premium features including the Jetfire ignition system, rear infrared rotisserie burner, and stainless steel cooking system, the Phantom P500 illuminates with nightlight control knobs with SafetyGlow and has been upgraded with a stainless steel multifunctional grilling rack, ideal for entertaining, and cast stainless steel iconic Wave cooking grids. Cast stainless steel is the best of both worlds, with high heat searing like cast iron, and the long-lasting, easy maintenance benefits of stainless steel. They radiate exceptional quality and design craftsmanship. Let's not forget about the Rogue RSE 425, a 3-burner compact grill that can fit anywhere with ease. This grill comes with Napoleon's stainless steel iconic Wave cooking grids for that perfect sear every time. Napoleon's Travel Q Pro 285X with scissor cart offers an exclusive look for a portable gas grill. The stylish finish will make you the talk of any party, adventure, or wherever you choose to bring this grill. Plus, using the dual stainless steel burners, you have precise control over the temperature, just like on Napoleon's full-sized grills. In addition to the luxurious matte black finish, the Phantom portable grill also comes with a removable stainless steel warming rack for providing additional cooking area. Master more of Napoleon's Phantom series features for a one-of-a-kind grilling experience. Visit us online at Napoleon.com or an authorized Napoleon dealer near you to learn more.